Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the GATE 2018 paper solutions, General Aptitude Set 1. And this set was asked in Mechanical Engineering Set 1 and EY, PE, XE, Excel paper. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's see one quotation. To achieve your goals, you need to work hard. And to work hard, we need to give that time. Okay, let's start. Thank you. GATE 2018 General Aptitude Section Set 1. Question 1 to question 5. Carry 1 mark each. Let's see the first question. Going by the dash that many hands make light work, the school dash involved all the students in the task. The words that best fill the blanks in the above sentence are. Let's see the options. A. Principal, principal. B. Principal, principal. C. Principal, principal. D. Principal, principal. And we need to know the meaning of the principal and principal. Principal is a role and principal the person in charge of an educational institute. So in the second blank, the school dash, the school consists principal. So principal involved all the student in the task, and going by the rule, so rule indicates principal. First blank principal and second blank principal. Let's see the second question. Her dash should not be confused with miscellaneous. She is ever willing to assist those in need. The word that best fill the blank in the above sentence is options. A. Cleanliness. B. Punctuality. C. Frugality. D. Greatness. First we need to know the meaning of the words that are asked in the question. Miserableness. Miserableness, excessive desire to save money, extreme meanness, and synonym for this word are avarice, equisiteness, parsimony, and frugality is also a synonym for the word miserableness. So this is the right word for the blank. Let's see the third question. 7 missions take 7 minutes to make 7 identical toys. At the same rate, how many minutes would it take for 100 missions to make 100 toys? Options. A. 1, B. 7, C. 100, D. 700. In the question is given that 7 minutes to make 7 identical tasks with 7 missions. That is 7 missions, 7 ties, 7 minutes. That means 1 mission, 1 tie, 7 minutes. So 1 mission takes 7 minutes for making 1 tie. That is 2 missions take 7 minutes for making 2 ties. Therefore 100 missions take 7 minutes to make 100 toys. So the right answer is the B, 7 minutes. Question 4. A rectangle becomes a square when its length and breadth are reduced by 10 meter and 5 meter respectively. During this process, the rectangle loses 650 meter square of area. What is the area of the original rectangle in square meters? Options. A. 1125, B. 2250, C. 2924, D. 4500. First we need to understand the question perfectly, and we need to analyze the what is given and what he is asking, and we need to have the basic formulas. As the question includes the rectangle, area and square, we need to see the concept. If length and breadth of a rectangle are LB respectively, then area of the rectangle is the L times B. That means length times breadth. Rectangle becomes square if length is equal to the breadth. And the first condition is given that the rectangle becomes square when its length and breadth are reduced by 10 meters and 5 meters respectively. Therefore, L minus 10 meters is equal to B minus 5. That means L minus B is equal to 5. Let's say this is the first equation and go for the second condition. The rectangle loses 650 meter square of area in this process. That means let the initial area is a capital A and the After the area is the A dash. A dash is equals to the L minus 10 into B minus 5 is equals to A minus 650. A is the initial area is equals to LB, and from this equation we need to solve LB minus 10B minus 5L plus 50 is equals to A minus 650, because in the question is given that the area is reduced by the 650 meter square. And after solving this equation we will get the 10b plus 5l is equals to 700, and the l from the equation 1 is equals to b plus 5. If we substitute we will get the b value is the 45 meters and l value is the b plus 5, that is the 50 meters. So he is asking the virginal area of the rectangle, that is l into b. We get the l and b, so area is equals to the l times b, that equals to the 2250 meters square. Let's see the fifth question. A number consists of two digits. The sum of the digits is 9. If 45 is subtracted from the number, its digits are interchanged. What is the number? Again, we need to understand the question perfectly. And let's say the two-digit number is the x5. And given first condition, x plus y is equals to 9. Sum of the digits is the 9. Second condition, if you subtract the 45 from the given number, the digits are interchanged. Xy minus 45 is equals to the yx, and xy can be written as 10x plus y minus 45 is equals to 10y plus x. So if you solve this equation, we will get the x minus 5 is equals to 5. X minus y equals to 5. From the equation 1 and 2, if we add both equations, we will get the 2x equals to 14 and x equals to 7. Therefore y equals to the 2. Therefore required number is the 72. Therefore B is the correct option. Question 6 to question 10 carry 2 marks each. Question 6, for integers a, b, c, what would be the minimum and maximum values respectively of a plus b plus c if log of mod a plus log of mod b plus log of mod c is equals to 0? Options as given as a minus 3 and 3, b minus 1 and 1, c minus 1 and 3, d 1 and 3. First we need to know the concepts. Let's see the concept used in this. And log of mod x graph. First we need to know the log x graph. It will be the fourth and first quadrants, and log of mod x will be the all quadrant as shown in the figure. And log of mod x is equals to 0 for the values x equals to plus or minus 1. Log x is equals to 0 when the value of the x is equals to 1, as it is the mod x. The value of the x can be plus or minus 1. And given, and another we need to know the principle of the logarithmic. Log of a plus log of b is equals to log a into b, and from these we can conclude log of mod a plus log of mod b plus log of mod c is equals to 0. That means according to the concept, log of mod a into mod b into mod c is equals to 0. That means mod a, mod b, mod c is equals to 1, as in the question is given that the a, b, c are integers. Therefore mod a is equals should be 1, mod b should be 1, mod c should be 1. Therefore the values of the a, b, c are plus or minus. And the maximum value for the a plus b plus c obtained when a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals to 1. That means the 3 minimum value of a plus b plus c is obtained when a equal to b equals to c is equals to minus 1. Therefore correct option is the a minus 3 and the 3 minimum and maximum values of a plus b plus c. Question 7. Given that a and b are integers and a plus a square b cube is odd, which one of the following is correct? And we need to decide the a, whether a is even or odd and whether b is even or odd. And we need to have the concept. Even into even number gives the even number, even into odd gives the even number, odd into even gives the even number, odd into odd gives the odd number. So odd number generates when odd and odd multiplies only. From these concepts we need to, given a plus a square b cubed is odd, so take the a as common. A into 1 plus a b cubed is odd, and these two individual numbers should be odd. That means a is odd, 1 one work is completed, and we need to decide the p. 1 plus ab cubed is also odd, and again we need to do the sum of the even odds. Even plus even is equals to even, even plus odd, odd, odd plus even, odd, odd plus odd, even. Therefore, as the 1 is the odd number, so ab cubed should be the even number, and a is the odd number we already got. So odd into even then only leads to the even number. So b cubed should be even, and b cubed can be written as b into b square, b into b square, and total result is a even number. So this should be even and even, or even into odd. So b also even. So a is odd and b is even. Let's go to the 8th question. Given that from the time the front of a train enters a platform, it takes 25 seconds for the back of the train to leave the platform while traveling at a constant speed of 54 km per hour. At the same speed, it takes 14 seconds to pass a man running at 9 km per hour in the same direction as the train. What is the length of the train and that of the platform in meters respectively? And options are given as in meters. For this question we need to understand the question carefully, and we need to have the distance speed formulas and relative speed formulas. So first we will see the concept. Distance is equals to speed into time, and relative speed in the same direction. If both are moving, then the relative speed will be the x minus y kilometer per hour. In opposite direction, speeds will be add x plus y kilometer per hour. And we will see another concept to convert the kilometer per hour into the meter per second. And for this we need to know the 18th table and 5th table. 18 km per hour corresponds to the 5 meter per second, and 18 to the 36 km per hour corresponds to the 5 to the 10 meter per second. Like that, 18 3 ja 54 km per hour corresponds to the 5 3 ja 15 meter per second. 72 18 4 ja 72 km per hour corresponds to the 5 4 ja 20 meter per second. 90 km per hour 5 5 ja 25 meter per second. Say half of the 90 45 km per hour corresponds to the half of the 25 12.5 meter per second. This is a simple way to convert the kilometer per hour into the meter per second quickly within a fraction of the second. Given that the speed of the train is a 54 km per hour, and also given from the time the front of a train enters a platform, it takes 25 seconds for the back of the train to leave the platform. So the distance covered is the length of the train as well as the length of the platform. Let x be the length of the train and y be the length of the platform. So the distance is equals to the x plus y, and speed of the train is a 54 km per hour, that is equals to the 15 meter per second. Therefore distance is given, speed is given, and time is given, and we need to find the distance. X plus y is obtained as 375 meters, and second condition, it takes 14 seconds to pass a man running at 9 km per hour in the same direction as the trains. Therefore the relative speed is given as the x minus y. 54 minus 9 is equals to the 45 km per hour, that will be is equals to the 12.5 meter per second. So the speed is given, and the length in this covered is the length of the train, because the man length is negligible, we cannot consider. So the x is equals to the speed into the time is the 14 seconds. Therefore x is obtained as the 175 meters, and x plus y is a 375. Therefore y is the 200 meters, and asked in the question x and y. Let's see the 9th question. Which one of the following functions describe the graph shown in the figure below? And the graph is given, and we can solve this question in the two ways. First way is from the options, and the graph is cuts the x-axis at two different spans, -2 and 2 and 0, as well as we can check the y value should be 0 at -2 and 2. So for this only B option is satisfying. And another method is we need to draw the graph, and we know the graph of the mod x and mod x plus 1, mod x minus 1. Mod x plus 1 means we need to pull up the graph 1 unit above. with mod x minus 1 we need to pull down the graph 1 unit below, and like that. And again I done the modulus of the mod x minus 1 like this, and again I pull down the graph 1 unit below to obtain the mod x minus 1 modulus minus 1. Therefore B is the right answer. Let's see the 10th question. Consider the following three statements. 1. Some roses are red. All red flowers fade quickly. Some roses fade quickly. Which one of the following statements can be logically inferred from the above statements? Options are given as, and we need to draw the logical diagram of the given statement. Some roses are red. Some roses are red, and all red flowers are faded quickly. Therefore, it intersects. And some roses fade quickly. If 1 and 2 are true, then third statement should be true. Therefore, correct answer is the C option. Okay, guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Okay.